Hey folks, Mike Napper here again at Roberts Ridge Proving Grounds. You know, the topic of today's conversation is staying in practice in the off season. You know, duck season's a long ways away and you don't really think about it that much. Of course, we all think about it, but you got to stay in practice, whether it be your calling, your shooting, or whatever. And it's like I used to tell them little boys I coached on the baseball team, hey, you play like you practice. So try to make it as real and as realistic as you possibly can, because, you know, it doesn't do no good just to come out and shoot. You gotta mix it up, different angles, different challenges. So, like I said, switch it up a little bit and make it as realistic as possible. Get my stoger. Piece of junk.
There you go, Nat.
Center again, boys. Now that's what I'm talking about, the good old stoger. $6.99, kills them every time. Popping up by the muskrat hut. This is realistic practice, folks. Hey, check us out on YouTube. Look us up on our website, www.poorpeoplepoorways.com. Look at that Instagram, Twitter, Netflix, whatever it is you got to do. Hey, take a kid fishing. Have a good summer. Enjoy yourselves. We hope you like it.
Good shooting, Nat. Good shooting. Folks, even though we're having a great time with this, please be careful. Don't imitate us. Don't do any of the crazy stuff. We're doing this for fun. So go out and have a good hunt and be safe.